Some bluegill right here. Let me catch these. Yes, sir. Got one. A bluegill. Got him on the gulp. All right, y'all. I'm seeing fish swimming around. Some bluegill, some bass. So let's see what we can catch. I'm fishing for anything, and I'm using the gulp on a tiny hook. Oh, he let go. Got him. Number 2. Got him. Another one. This is a red ear sunfish. Let's go. A little red ear sunfish. Oh, there he goes. Oh, the bass. Take a swipe at it. Come on, come on. They're all just chasing it, but they're not eating it. Yes, sir. Got him. What is this? It's a bluegill. They're all just stacked up right in here. I'm seeing them in the water. Nice little bluegill. Back out there. Oh, just like that. Oh, it came off right there. As soon as it hit the water. I want to catch that bass that's sitting over there. And guys, like I said, all I'm using is this gulp right here on this tiny, tiny hook. I think it's a trout hook. All right, I got 2 pieces on. Oh, I got a fish. Pumpkin seed. Crush the gulp. Look at that fish. Not the biggest fish in the world, but it's a good variety. We've got pumpkin seed, red ear sunfish, bluegill. Seen some bass. Oh, there he goes. Stuck me real good. Look at that. Dang. It's a good day of fishing. That's what that means. Dang. Let's get back out there. And all I'm doing is casting into this little, I guess, flat right here. That's what they all are. Right there. Sometimes they'll eat it, sometimes they'll just sit there and look at it. So I'm gonna throw this popper, and I'm gonna see if I can get whatever this is right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at that right there. Look at that. I think those are fish picking stuff off from the top. So I'm gonna throw this over there and I'm gonna see if I can get anything. Right here too, right here, look at this. Right here. I don't know what it is. Oh, look at that, y'all. Oh, what is that? What kind of fish are those, y'all?